The next acute phase protein is alpha 1 acid glycoprotein, also called acid glycoprotein or alpha acid glycoprotein. So alpha 1 acid glycoprotein is one of the most highly glycosylated protein in serum. It having the molecular mass around 43 kilodalton, of which approximately 45% is covalently linked to carbohydrate. Carbohydrate side chain are composed of linked monosaccharides such as mannose, galactose and glucose. The final group in chain usually being sialic acid. Thus, the negatively charged group are located at the end of each chain, leading to low isoelectric pH of isoelectric point of acid glycoprotein is 2.8 to 3.8. The function of alpha 1 acid glycoprotein is it's bind to the number of endogenous metabolites such as heparin, histamine, serotonin, steroid and catecholamines. Acid glycoprotein is bind to the pharmacological compounds also. Increased acid glycoprotein is occur in acute phase response and may reduce the concentration of free drug and could therefore affect the pharmacokinetics. The ability of acid glycoprotein to bind low molecular weight ligand also have a general protective role. It also binds with the toxic lectins and endotoxin. Acid glycoprotein also has several putative roles in innate defense system against infection and modulating the immunoreaction. It can inhibit the attachment of Mycoplasma pneumoniae to alveolar macrophage and can inhibit some strain of influenza virus. Furthermore, phagocytosis, neutrophil activation and platelet aggregation are inhibited by acid glycoprotein. It may have role in also in maturation of T and B lymphocyte. The raised level of acid glycoprotein have also been reported in tumor bearing cats including lymphoma. So if there is a lymphoma in cat, in that condition also acid glycoprotein level is raised. Then next protein is fibrinogen. Fibrinogen is the large protein having molecular weight 340 kilodalton and constituted about nearly 5% of total plasma protein. It migrates with the beta fraction of globin in plasma protein. So it is composed of 3 domains linked by disulfide bond and contains near about 3% to 5% carbohydrate. Fibrinogen is a moderate acute phase protein in horse arthritis. In fibrinogen is increased 0.87 times the baseline concentration. So in fibrinogen is act as a moderate acute phase protein, and in horse arthritis its concentration is increases only 0.87 times. During the acute phase response, approximately 12 gram of muscle tissue has been to be degraded to provide amino acid for 1 gram of fibrinogen. It is more consistently increased during inflammation in horses and cattle than in dog and cat. So fibrinogen is more constantly increases in the inflammation in horses and cattle than in dog and cat. So now negative acute phase protein. So the protein decreases in concentration by greater than 25% during acute phase response to infection or inflammation or trauma. The decrease in concentration can be rapid with significant reduction found after 24 hours or maybe over a period of days. Serum albumin is a negative acute phase protein and the concentration of this protein fall gradually. The reduction in the concentration is more noticeable in chronic inflammatory diseases. Transferrin, the iron transport protein of serum, is also negative acute phase protein. The more rapidly reacting negative acute phase protein is found in porcine called apolipoprotein A1. In porcine, it is more rapidly decreasing or reactive negative acute phase protein is porcine apolipoprotein A1. It decreases in concentration by 50 to 80% within a 2 to 5 days of infection with Streptococcus suis or Streptococcus A. Then transthyretin and retinal binding protein in rats showed decrease during the acute phase reaction. Infection of pig with Streptococcus suis caused the significant reduction of transthyretin concentration in serum.